100 sentences in English. All that you need to know. Morning routine. Good morning. Good morning. Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well? It's time to wake up. It's time to wake up. Don't forget to make your bed. Don't forget to make your bed. Let's have breakfast. Let's have breakfast. What would you like to eat? What would you like to eat? Can I have a cup of coffee, please? Can I have a cup of coffee, please? Pass me the salt, please. Pass me the salt, please. I'm running late. I'm running late. Have a great day. Have a great day. Pause the video. Write down these sentences. And practice repeating them before moving on to the next sentences. At work or school. I'm on my way to work. I'm on my way to work. Could you help me with this? Could you help me with this? What's the deadline for this project? What's the deadline for this project? Please send me the details. Please send me the details. I'll get back to you shortly. I'll get back to you shortly. Let's schedule a meeting. Let's schedule a meeting. I need some time to finish this. I need some time to finish this. Can we discuss this later? Can we discuss this later? That's a great idea. That's a great idea. I've completed the task. I've completed the task. Pause the video. Write down these sentences. And practice repeating them before moving on to the next sentences. Daily conversations. How are you? How are you? I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. What about you? What about you? How was your day? How was your day? Do you need any help? Do you need any help? That sounds good. That sounds good. Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? I don't understand. I don't understand. Could you repeat that, please? Could you repeat that, please? I agree with you. I agree with you. Pause the video. Write down these sentences. And practice repeating them before moving on to the next sentences. Shopping. How much does this cost? How much does this cost? Is there a discount? Is there a discount? I'm just looking, thank you. I'm just looking, thank you. Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards? Can I get a receipt? Can I get a receipt? What are the store hours? What are the store hours? I need a size larger. I need a size larger. This doesn't fit me. This doesn't fit me. Do you have this in another color? Do you have this in another color? Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Pause the video. Write down these sentences. And practice repeating them before moving on to the next sentences. Travel. Where is the nearest bus stop? Where is the nearest bus stop? How far is the airport? How far is the airport? Can I get a ticket to downtown? Can I get a ticket to downtown? What time does the train leave? What time does the train leave? I'd like a window seat, please. I'd like a window seat, please. How long is the flight? How long is the flight? Can you show me on the map? Can you show me on the map? Could you call a taxi for me? Could you call a taxi for me? I'm lost. Can you help me? I'm lost. Can you help me? What's the best way to get there? What's the best way to get there? Pause the video. Write down these sentences. And practice repeating them before moving on to the next sentences. Restaurants. Can I see the menu, please? Can I see the menu, please? What do you recommend? What do you recommend? I'll have the same as that. I'll have the same as that. Is this dish spicy? Is this dish spicy? Could you make it less spicy? Could you make it less spicy? Can I have some water, please? Can I have some water, please? I'd like to order dessert. I'd like to order dessert. The food was delicious. The food was delicious. Could you bring the bill, please? Could you bring the bill, please? Thank you for the wonderful service. Thank you for the wonderful service. Pause the video. Write down these sentences. and practice repeating them before moving on to the next sentences. Home and family. How was school today? How was school today? Did you do your homework? Did you do your homework? Let's clean the house. Let's clean the house. Dinner is ready. Dinner is ready. What movie should we watch tonight? What movie should we watch tonight? Can you take out the trash? Can you take out the trash? Don't forget to lock the door. Don't forget to lock the door. It's time to go to bed. It's time to go to bed. Good night. Good night. Sweet dreams. Sweet dreams. Pause the video. Write down these sentences. And practice repeating them before moving on to the next sentences. Health and fitness. I need to exercise more. I need to exercise more. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. Do you go to the gym? Do you go to the gym? I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling well. I have a headache. I have a headache. Do you know a good doctor? Do you know a good doctor? You need to drink more water. You need to drink more water. Don't skip breakfast. Don't skip breakfast. Make sure to stretch before exercising. Make sure to stretch before exercising. I'm trying to eat healthier. I'm trying to eat healthier. Pause the video. Write down these sentences. And practice repeating them before moving on to the next sentences. Emergencies. Call the police. Call the police. I need help immediately. I need help immediately. Is everything okay? Is everything okay? Where is the nearest hospital? Where is the nearest hospital? I've lost my wallet. I've lost my wallet. My phone isn't working. My phone isn't working. Can you call an ambulance? Can you call an ambulance? I'm locked out of my house. I'm locked out of my house. Please stay calm. Please stay calm. Thank you for your assistance. Thank you for your assistance. Pause the video. Write down these sentences. And practice repeating them before moving on to the next sentences. Social and fun. Let's go out this evening. Let's go out this evening. Do you want to grab a coffee? Do you want to grab a coffee? What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie? Let's play a board game. Let's play a board game. I love this song. I love this song. That's so funny. That's so funny. Do you want to hang out tomorrow? Do you want to hang out tomorrow? What's the plan for the weekend? What's the plan for the weekend? I had a great time today. I had a great time today. Let's do this again soon. Let's do this again soon. Pause the video. Write down these sentences. And practice repeating them before moving on to the next sentences.